If you're thinking of jumping onto Kajabi, but you want to see what the end product could look like in terms of your website, your landing pages, your course offerings, things like that, I have been doing a series of videos showing you people who are on Kajabi. Some of these people you know really well. They're big names. Other people maybe not as much, but all of them have something really valuable to offer, and that is showing us what a Kajabi site could look like by looking at theirs. And so today we're going to look at the empowered entrepreneur. And on this one, what we have is a little bit of a header. They've got the options right centered, right in the middle, which is kind of cool. Are you a business owner who is ready to work smarter, not harder? Your brain is a powerful tool. Are you sure you're using it to its full potential? Want to transform your brain with proven techniques to help you be more productive in less time? Learn about our exclusive offer for entrepreneurs here. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this. This is their first offer that they have. Join the Empowered Entrepreneurs exclusive founding group today. Only 12 spots available. Are you a business owner who works too hard without getting the desired results? Do you want to go directly to the source to train your brain? We can help you with our unique program. Imagine if you could be focused, concentrate. You can see that they use kind of a hero image with a headline. Then they're using some bulleted stuff, some background images. Again, super easy to do, all within Kajabi. And we come down to a little bit of kind of how the brain works, neuroplasticity, and then more bulleted stuff, a little bit of future pacing. Can you imagine what this is going to be like? And then how the things are done in their program. And then you can schedule your free I'm interested call. So this is a landing page on Kajabi and then a form where they are having you fill out a few different things and then submit it so that they can be in touch with you. That's pretty cool. I think it's awesome. And let's see. So we go back to if we go back to the main site here, that was the first thing we clicked on. As we scroll down the page, we have who they are. We've got click here to find out more. That probably takes us, that takes us back to their main lead generator. So they're trying to get you to schedule that call. You can also stay up to date and by doing the newsletter thing there. Let's see what other things they do. So services, all right. So another Kajabi page. This is one of those things that's called features. And when you're building your Kajabi website, you can have 2 or 3 of these lined up where it just has kind of the picture, headline, text, call to action. Simple, to the point, easy to use. Blog. So this is their blog. They've got the sidebar with categories, call to action for the subscription to their newsletter, and then the blog material there. And get in touch so we can see how they have this laid out. Okay, just a simple form, easy to do in Kajabi, social links there, and another lead magnet, brain hacks. It's interesting that they have brain hacks, this lead magnet, kind of hidden on some subsequent pages and not on the front page. So their lead magnet, their barrier to entry on that front page is a call to be one of 12 people on this group. I consider that a pretty high barrier to entry for a lead magnet. Maybe it's working great for them. I'm not throwing stones at all. I'm just saying it's a high barrier to entry. This is a very low barrier to entry. Like, yes, I want these brain hacks, right? You put your name and email in there, they send them to you, and you're good to go. I don't know why that wouldn't be more front and center, because then they could, on the back end of that, invite people into their founders program. But they're living their best life, and they didn't ask me for my opinion. I'm just giving it to you. So this is their site, and there's, the thing I want you to see anytime we do a little case study is that this is nothing complicated to do on Kajabi. It looks clean, it loads fast, it's creative, and it's super simple to do. And I want to click on one more thing here. Let's just dig into like peak performance coaching program. So this is a landing page they did. Any of these things sound familiar? So exhausted, no time, there's a better way, right? So this is easy to do in Kajabi. Here's the thing. And so, more of just join our program, and here's what it's going to do for you. Pretty cool. So as you can see, these are just ways that you can build a website, build a brand on Kajabi, make it fit your personality. Not every website's going to look like mine. Not every website's going to look like Amy Porterfield's or Brendan Burchard's. We've looked at all those so far. Some of them are going to look like this, and we'll look at a few more in the days that come. If you want to jump onto Kajabi, use my link below, lanesebring.com/Kajabi. You get a 30-day free trial, a 45-minute Zoom call with me, and a template that's going to help you launch your first course and do really well. That is an affiliate link, so I do make a small commission when you use it, so I appreciate it very much. And until next time, check out this playlist right here, where we can go even more in depth into Kajabi and answer more of your questions that you might have. So click right there, and I'll see you in that playlist.